Today we're going to show you how to add a payer in your Tax1099 account. There are two ways you can go about getting to the Add Payer screen. The first is probably the most easy. From your dashboard, select Create New, then Payers, and simply start filling in your information. The other method is, again, from your dashboard. You can go over to this blue ribbon, select Payers here, and then Add Payer. To continue, select business or individual, as the case may be. Type in your business. The EIN. Phone number. Business address. Press save, and you're finished.